So this is the Expedia 1700 and the VF 1200. I thought I'd take the opportunity to really show you how compact our VersaPak vertical form and seal really is. And there it is. The VersaPak to fill pouches vertically up to 8 inches wide. This machine is only about 3 by 3 feet. You can put it on a table, a floor stand like such. The roll of film is here in the back of the machine. What's great about vertical form and seal technology is that it's non-proprietary. You can purchase your film from anyone. So the way this machine works is you could either manually fill or put an automatic wave filling system above it. The film will travel across the forming tube to form the pouch. Then the sealing jaws will cut at your desired length. The VersaPak could produce up to 20 bags a minute or 1,200 an hour. Compact, affordable, and easy to use. The VersaPak.